Hello, friends, and welcome to my NLP's class. And today, in our NLP class, I will be discussing about elements of neuro-linguistic programming. I mean, if you want to be expert in NLP, you should know what are the different components of elements of NLP. NLP's important components are three basically. The first one is the principles of NLP. The second one is the presuppositions of NLP. And the third one is the techniques of NLP. So the number one, the first one is that the principle. There are five important principles of NLP. If you want to excel in neurolinguistic programming and effective communication, you should believe on five important things. I mean, the number one is that understand yourself. Number second, understand others. Because if you will not understand yourself and others, you will be unable to communicate according to the next person. And the third one is flexibility. I mean psychological flexibility. So this is again important because if you are not psychological flexible, and then you will not be able to align yourself, program yourself according to the next person. And the fourth one is rapport building. So if the next person is not in trust with you, I mean, he or she is not in rapport with you, you will be unable to communicate effectively. And the fifth one is that believing on the feedback and outcome. If you will not believe on the feedback that you are doing something, and if you are not focusing on the outcome, you will unable to reprogram yourself. So these are the five important principles. You should believe on that. And the number second thing is that the number second element of the NLP is presuppositions. Presupposition basically is a mindset behind NLP. So these are the different statements on which you should believe if you want to excel in neuro-linguistic programming. So there are around 12 presuppositions of neuro-linguistic programming. And I will make a separate video on the presupposition as well, of course. And the third element of the NLP is NLP techniques. So NLP techniques are basically language techniques in which you communicate to the next person according to the need, according to the desired outcome. So you will be able to uh, reprogram yourself as per the needs of the next person. So on the basis of the problem, on the basis of the goal, you will you will you will select a specific technique for a specific problem. Like there are different NLP techniques, including swish patterns, timeline therapy, reframing, chunking, agreement, break the state. So these are the different techniques which will you use as per your goals and needs. So these were the three important components of neuro-linguistic programming. If you want to excel in NLP, you should have a grip on these three elements. And obviously, I will be making a separate videos on each and every technique and concept. And I hope you have a great idea, great concept on these elements of the NLP. And stay tuned with me, and I will be going to create more videos on NLP. Thank you.